Welcome back to another interest tutorial about Camtasia video editing software tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to detach your canvas for project preview before you export your final project in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. So, like for instance, this particular project here, let's say for instance, I'm done with editing and I want to preview the project before I do the final export. How do you detach? So what you want to do here is to come to the top right here, click on here, and make sure you click on detach canvas. Then it's going to bump up right here. So if you play on your video, that simple. Now, if you are satisfied with the preview of the video, like for instance, from the beginning to the end, you are good to go and everything about the video is fully correct. For you to return back, just come back right here, click on attach canvas, and with that, you can go on and export your video in Camtasia video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.